Hey class. Hey, today's going to be a great magnetic lab. This station is magnetic station number 1, okay? Make sure you change and flip into your spiral to station 1 magnetic attraction test, okay? Remember, the goal of this is to identify which materials are magnetic and explore why. Okay, when you get your kit, you're going to have different things in here, okay? You're going to have some magnets, okay? And you're going to have all different sorts of materials, okay? And what we're looking for is to figure out which materials are magnetic and which are not, okay? And we're going to explore why. Okay, so first thing is, if you look at the materials, you have all these different items on your lab sheet, okay? And what we have to do is you have to put them in the correct column. Has magnetic attraction or doesn't have magnetic attraction, okay? So for instance, if you pick up the plastic dart, okay, take the magnet, see if it picks it up, right? Is it going to pick it up? Is it going to move it? What's it going to do with that? What's it going to do, okay? And obviously this one is not magnetic, so you would write the plastic dart in the magnetic attraction. Make sure after you write one down, you cross it off, okay? You guys are going to get points for each station. Make sure you cross it off and put it there, okay? Then you go to another thing like a paper clip, okay? See how it is? The paper clip, that is definitely magnetic, okay? So you're going to put paper clip and has attraction, okay? And then you're going to go through this and write those on both sides, okay? Now you only have about 8 minutes per station, so you need to get the lab done what you're going to do. And I want you to explore. I want you to try to find different things that could have magnetic attraction or who couldn't, okay? The next thing is the thinking prompt. What do magnetic materials have in common, okay? Look at your list, the ones that are magnetic. What do they have in common? Put that down there. I want to hear what you guys think. Why might some materials react differently? That's interesting. Why would they act differently? Evidence to collect. Do some research online and add 4 more items to your chart that are magnetic and that are not. Okay, that's really easy to find. Add 4 that are and that aren't. Okay, we're going to have one I wonder. Okay, because this is an inquiry lesson. I wonder statement about the pattern you notice. What did you notice about the pattern? Things that are magnetic, things that are not magnetic. The last thing, my type of feedback is, what types of materials might this tell about if the material structure, okay? So what might that tell you about the magnetic structure, okay, of these materials, the ones that are magnetic, okay? All right, now make sure you can take the stuff out of the box and put it on your table, but when you're done, I'll be around. If you have any questions, definitely ask me, but I'll let you know when it's about a minute left. I want you to put everything back into the bin nice and neat, okay? All right, have a good time with this, and remember, keep thinking about science.